welcome to Car Industry Tycoon. Today we are building the sedan because I've actually played this game a lot off of camera because I'm dumb and I don't know what I was doing and I've already got a lot of money. So yeah. Amazing. I don't want the starter pack. As you can see, I've got a lot of things. I've got building the wheels and I've got body. That is done. You know what? Let's build the engine. Yes. Engine. Uncommon. 500 XP. Amazing. Quest completed. Build the engine machine. I've got now engine machine. Amazing. $50 workers. You know what time it is. It's time for the invasion. Look at them go. 50 workers going in. No one decides to work at this office. Air filter? No, I don't want an air filter, thank you. Easy. I don't want the battery. I don't want a high performance ignition. I've got the stronger engine block. Not happening. Basic electric engine. Battery not included. You have to buy them yourself. That's what I have to say. You know what? Let's increase the software. Amazing. Level 17. Oh god. Oh my god, here we come. Here they go. Raid of the workers. Here they come. It's happening again. Cheap rusty steel? No. More like good quality steel. Corrosion resistant steel. Amazing. We have got more steel than before. Unibody combines the chassis, frame and body into a single unit. Ooh. Basic aerodynamics. Yes, we are learning aerodynamics today. That is technically like how fast or how slow a car goes. Nom 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 nom. Fiberglass. Light and strong material does not require protection against rust. Amazing. Oh my god, we can upgrade this for days. Impact absorbing structure. Like, oh yes. Yes. Oh, hello. Oh, it's an engine. Is this what a car factory looks like? There you go. Enjoy. We are recording video. As you can see, this is our factory. We've got 3 of that, 3 of that, and 3 of that. I'll be back after having to reply to a friend. Okay, I'm back. So hopefully, while I was talking to my friend, I hopefully got some more money. So as I said, this game is called Car Industry Tycoon. It's a very good game. if you get to play it. It's on Google Play. Okay, that's a lot of money now. Yes, an achievement has been completed. My name is United Scout. Yes, exactly. Yes, 11 coins. Oh, hello. What are you? Little forklift looking ting. Ooh, nom nom. I get millions per second. Give me your money. I need to upgrade everything. So this is the max level. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's for... You need 25 billion. This is the end of episode 1. I'll see you later. Bye.